Bluetooth audio problems on iPhone 14 aren't really that serious, and you should be able to fix them by doing the most basic troubleshooting procedures. So if you have this problem, the first thing you have to do is to restart your devices. Most of the time, this would be enough to fix minor issues caused by glitches. So press and hold the power key and either of the volume buttons until the slider appears. Drag the slider to the right to turn off your iPhone. After a few seconds, press and hold the power key again until the Apple logo shows. While waiting, restart your Bluetooth accessory as well. In most cases, you just have to press and hold the power key. Once both devices have restarted, try to see if the audio problems are fixed. If not, then what you need to do next is to forget the current connection and repair the devices. Doing so will refresh the connection of your devices, and this is often enough to fix this problem. To do it, launch Settings and tap Bluetooth. Tap the information icon next to the device you're having issues with. On the next screen, tap Forget this device and then tap Forget Device to confirm. Go back to the previous screen and disable Bluetooth on your iPhone. After a few seconds, enable it back and put your Bluetooth accessory in pairing mode. Once your iPhone detects it, pair with it again and try playing a track. This should be enough to fix the Bluetooth audio problems on your iPhone 14. However, if for some reason the problem continues, then you have to do the following. Reset the network settings, as it can be just a temporary issue with network services in your device. Or you can do the factory reset to bring your iPhone 14 back to its default configuration. But make sure to back up your data and files before doing that, as they will be deleted. And that's pretty much it. We hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching.